In photoelectric experiment, the stopping potential was measured to be V1 and V2 volt with incident light of wavelength lambda and lambda by 2 respectively. Then we have to find out the value of V2. Omega phi 0 represent work function and E is electronic charge. According to Einstein's photoelectric equation, E into stopping potential is equal to Hc divided by lambda minus of omega 0. Now, here when stopping potential is V1, then what is the frequency of incident light? Lambda. And in second case, when stopping potential is V2, then what is the frequency of incident light? It is lambda by 2. It is what? Lambda by 2. So, lambda by 2, that 2 will be taken in denominator. So, it is 2hc minus of here work function, we can take it as phi 0. Work function is taken as phi 0. So, this is our equation 1 and this is equation 2. So, by equation 2 minus equation 1, what we can write? EV2 minus EV1 is equal to 2hc divided by lambda minus of phi 0 minus hc divided by lambda and minus of minus, it becomes phi 0. This phi 0 get cancelled and we are left with what? Hc divided by lambda. So, here E can be taken as common. In bracket it is V2, E is taken as common. So, what is in bracket? V2 minus V1 is equal to Hc divided by lambda, or we can say V2 minus V1 is equal to Hc divided by E lambda. Hc divided by what? E lambda. But from equation 1, what we can write? V1 is equal to Hc divided by, take this E in the denominator, E lambda minus of phi 0 divided by, again this E will be. So, V1 is equal to Hc upon E lambda minus phi 0 upon E, or we can say Hc divided by E lambda, value of this is equal to V1 plus phi 0 divided by E. V1 plus phi 0 divided by E. So, let us put the value of Hc upon E lambda here in this equation. So, what we will get? We will get V2 minus of V1 is equal to, instead of Hc upon E lambda, here we can write V1 plus phi 0 divided by E. This minus V1 will be taken to the right hand side. So, we will get V2 is equal to minus V1, now it becomes V1, V1 plus phi 0 divided by E, or it is equal to 2 times V1 plus phi 0 divided by E. So, we are having the final answer V2 is equal to 2 times V1 plus phi 0 divided by E. So, which option is correct? Option B is the correct option for this question.